Hello friends. Today, we're excited to embark on a quiz adventure together. Guest quizzes about the most popular cat breed.
Which cat breed is known for its distinctive blue eyes? Which breed is characterized by its short, dense coat and large, expressive eyes? Which breed has a naturally short tail and is known for its playful and curious personality? Which breed has a distinctive M shape on its forehead and is known for being highly active and intelligent? Which breed is famous for its curly coat and affectionate nature? Which breed is known for its pointed coat pattern and vocal personality? Which breed is known for its sleek, muscular build and love for water? Which breed is famous for its fluffy, triple-layered coat and tufted ears? Which breed is known for its distinctive folded ears? Which breed is characterized by its striking spotted coat pattern? Which breed is famous for its large, round eyes and distinctive owl-like appearance? Which breed is known for its distinctive ticked coat pattern and active personality? Which breed is characterized by its short, dense coat and distinctive squished face? Which breed is known for its unique curled ears and playful demeanor? Which breed is famous for its elegant, slender body and striking green eyes? That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on one of these videos for your next challenge.